Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Hope you are doing good and you're doing great as well. So this is the wig cap I decided to use for today's tutorial, and this wig cap actually came with the previous hair review I made from I Show Hair. It came as a gift, so I feel it's so less expensive, and the reason why I chose this wig cap is because of the net. The net are really wide open and also the elasticity, but you can use any wig cap of your choice. I want you guys to give me feedback on this specific look, so definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of tips on how to style or how to make this hairstyle. So hope you enjoy, and yeah. First, I'm just using needle and thread to close up the part that is opened. So after sewing it, I'm going to sew it inside, and then after that we'll just turn the cap inside out. This is the hair I'm using for today's tutorial or today's video. Very affordable hair. It's called Rosemary Kinky. One thing I like about this hair is that the texture is so soft and it feels so natural, and also the fact that one pack can be enough for one full afro wig, and also one pack can also be enough for bouncing kinky full hairs. So I'll be using the normal crochet pin to just crochet the hair in. So before I start crocheting, I just fold the piece of the hair that I'm about to crochet to form like a loop, and then open the loop very well, and then start crocheting the hair to the wig cap. Start by inserting the crochet pin and use about 3 holes. Make sure it's 3 or 2 because one net hole won't be able to hold or withstand the pressure of the crochet. Okay, how to crochet is just for you to insert the crochet pin to the wig cap, crossing about 2 net holes and pushing the pin out from the 3rd hole. Attach the kinking hair to the crochet pin, then pass it through to form a loop. Take the ends of the kinking hair and pass it through the loop to tie the knot. One of the disadvantages of this wig cap is that it doesn't last for a longer period of time. It's just a temporary hairstyle. So if you are looking for something or you want the hairstyle to last for a longer period of time, this shouldn't be your choice. The wig cap should not be your choice. You should either get the dome cap, the dome wig cap, or the regular wig cap that you see in your local beauty supply store. So we'll first continue doing round the end of the wig cap first before doing the middle part of the wig cap. Filling in round just so that it can cover the banded part of the wig cap, we'll just go ahead to fill in the middle part of the wig cap. Now that I'm done, I'm just using my hands to straighten out the kinking hair so that it will look longer before wearing it on my head. Please just pardon me, I'm just so hungry here, so I decided to just eat this corn and film at the same time because the weather was just changing at that particular time, so and I needed to get these clips clear, and also hungry at the same time, so I just had to just do everything at the same time, so pardon me please. So now my stylist is helping me out to apply gel on the front part of my head. You can do this yourself, and this is the regular petals gel that you can get anywhere in the market, especially in Nigeria, and it's very less expensive. Applying this less expensive gel is actually optional. You can do eco styling gel or any gel of your choice, but at the moment is this petals gel that I'm actually using. So yeah. For the front part of the head, if you noticed, she just helped me to cornrow like a straight line that will help hold that front part very well laid. So yeah, you can do that for yourself because it's actually very important, so that it will be able to help hold down the afro wig. After cornrolling the front part of the head and applying gel, we just go ahead to wear the afro wig of my head, and the cornrow is going to serve as a holder. It's going to help the afro wig stay in place or hold the afro wig in place. So, and after that, we just go ahead to just trim the excess afro wig or the excess hair on the wig off camera. So here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope you're able to learn something. What do you think about this hairstyle? Please just leave a comment in the comment section below, and give this video a big thumbs up if you actually liked it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, share to friends and family, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.